Okay, this is our cross project, and I'm Louis.
I'm Boy.
Our cross project is divided into four parts. The first part is the introduction of AC and DC, and the second one is applications of AC and DC. The third part is differences between AC and DC, and the last part is summary.
Okay, the first one is introduction of AC. Firstly, alternating current refers to alternating current whose current direction changes periodically with time. The second one, the running average in one circle is 0. Thirdly, its direction will change over time. The force, it can reverse its voltage polarity and current flow direction periodically. Nextly, the fifth, usually the waveform is sinusoid. AC power can transmit power efficiently, but in fact, other waveforms are applied, such as triangular waves and square waves. Okay.
I will introduce the DC. So the full name of DC is direct current. Direct current is a type of electricity in which voltage with constant polarity and value. Also, its current flows in a constant direction. Usually, DC is a kind of electricity made by battery. So, the circuit through which the direct current is passed is called a DC circuit, and it's a closed conductive loop composed of a DC power source and a resistor. In this DC circuit, a constant electric field is formed. Outside the power supply, the positive charge flows from the high potential to the low potential through the resistor. In the power supply, relying on the non-electrostatic force of the power supply, overcoming the electrostatic force, and then reaching the high potential from the low potential. So, cycle reciprocating to form a closed current line. Therefore, in a DC circuit, the role of the power supply is to provide a constant electromotive force and does not change over time, supplementing the Joule heat consumed in the resistor. The next part is the applications of alternative current and direct current. So, for alternative current, most home and office outlets is alternative current, and we can use it for long distance electrical transmission. In addition, it can be used to power electric motor. For direct current, we usually use it in cell phones and flashlights. We also use it for hybrid and electric vehicles.
Okay, the next part is the comparison of alternating current and direct current. Firstly, I want to introduce the advantages and disadvantages of alternating current. The voltage of alternating current can be boosted or step down. Alternating current can be used for long-distance electrical transmission. Alternating current has the advantage of using transportation and power generation. The equipment for production is simpler and more convenient. At, at high voltages, it's more dangerous to work with alternating current than direct current. In the process, like electrofanning, electroplating, and so on. One cannot be use the alternating current in this process. Only direct current is used. Nowadays, most of the electrical furnitures that we use in daily life are DC.
So, I will talk about some advantages and disadvantages of direct current. First, it cannot be easily transmitted at high voltage and then step down to a lower voltage because no device such as a transformer is available for direct current. As a result of this, the size of the power cable from the direct current generating source will be very high. This will be both impractical and expensive. Second, the biggest advantage of direct current electricity is that it is easier to store than alternative current electricity, especially on a small scale. So the last part is summary. From the alternative current versus direct current, we can summarize that although alternative current has many advantages, from our perspectives, direct current is better than alternative current. First, our daily life has a very close relationship with direct current. Most of our furnitures that use electricity are direct current. And second, with the development of high voltage and power converters, direct current has the capacity of long distance transmission. The long distance electricity transmission in the previous times usually used alternative current, but nowadays we can use direct current. Third, nowadays direct current could be converted to alternative current easily with the technology developed nowadays. That's the end.